Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Ta-da! Look who I have next to me. Oh, it's my Cutie! My Cutie plush inspired by you. And yes, today's video was also inspired by you because in the announcement video that I made of her, so many of you requested that I draw her. So I really hope that you're looking forward to this video of drawing her and that it inspires you too. But before we get started on drawing her, I just remind you that my Cutie here is still available on makeship.com. The campaign is not over yet and we still have time to make her reality. So thank you Cuties for all your support and definitely make sure to check her out. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper. I should have put a Sharpie on her, right, when I made this plush. That would have been awesome. And your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw my cute logo girl, let's first start by drawing the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right here, draw a curve, come to the other side nice and wide, of course, right? So about right here. And just connect at the bottom with a big curve towards the center and then back up. So nice and round. From there, let's go back to where we started on the edge. I'm going to draw a big circle for her eyes. And come to the other side and do the same thing, about right here. And now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And if you ever need help drawing Draw So Cute eyes, just check out my video for how to draw so cute eyes, and hopefully that video will help you. There, so now my eyes in, let's come back up here on the edge and just spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm just going to put in just 2 simple curves. So same thing over here, 1 and 2. And then let's see here, let's give her a sweet smirk smile. So say about right here, I'm just going to curve and go slightly up and cap it off. Then from there, let's see, let's come about right here where her hair is going to part. So say about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes down to meet that point and out. And then on this side, I'm going to come about right here where her hair parts. Draw in 1 strand of hair and then bring another curve all the way down, back to the other side and down. So before I forget, let's come back in here and I'm just going to put in a little curve for indication of some ears. So about right here as well. There. And then let's bring this up. So come about right here, we're just going to curve it up. And about right there is where I will stop. Come down. And as I come down, I'm going to curve, but then dip in a little bit and then out. And then this side is just going to go nice and high. And come around, and as we come to this part, we're just going to come down a little bit more and then curve out for a strand and then down. There. Okay, so then let's finish the rest of her hair after we draw her body. And I just forgot. Let's give her some eyebrows. So say we're right here. My plush doesn't have an eyebrow because I didn't think it needed one. It would look really weird, but I think the drawing definitely needs one. So I'm adding just a soft curve Okay, so then now let's draw her body. Very simple body, right? So not even a neck. We're just gonna come about right here and here. Nice and simple. And we're just gonna draw angle line down. And say about that much. And then I'm just gonna go across with a wobble. And I'll come back in here, just a little indication of a neck. Just give it a little curve right there. And then let's come to the center, say about this much. Just gonna draw a slight angle line right in the center. And from there is where I'm gonna start her legs. And yes, my Jasuke girl finally has legs, right? So I'm just going about right there, and let's bring this down. And so we're just gonna get a little bit thinner as we come down. And here as well. And about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Then let's draw her shoes. So we're gonna come out, curve. This part's gonna be a little bit straighter, and then connect. So we're just creating this shape right here, and then same thing here. So curving a little bit, pop it out, pop this part out a little bit more, a curve and connect. Then for some details, let's come back in here for the bottom of our shoe, the top of our shoe, and then two curves. So same thing over here. Bottom, top, and two curves. There. Okay, so then now to draw her arms, come about right here. We're just going to round this part off for her shoulder and come down. Give her a sleeve, back up, and her arms will come out. And about right here, I'm just going to give her a thumb and simplify her fingers as one big curve, just like the plush, and in. And come in here, just lightly, indication of fingers. So, and before I forget, I'm just gonna put a little band right there. So same thing over here, round off the shoulders, come down, and I'm just gonna drag this point across, make sure about the same, and then connect. And once again, same thing, come out, and about right here, thumb, and round it off for her fingers. There, she has her hands in, always ready for a hug, right? So then let's finish off her hair. So let's come back right here, and I'm just going to taper this in, and same thing here. There. And of course, well, let's add some details on the pants. Just give her a pocket. And let's see here. And last but not least, of course, we have to add a big heart right here for my cutie. So they're all done. I really hope you loved this drawing of my cutie here that was inspired by you, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thank you for all your support, cuties, and I will see you soon. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.